This video tutorial I will explain how DNS lookup worked. DNS is nothing but domain name system. DNS acts as an address book. DNS translates human readable domain names into machine readable IP addresses. Here you can see the example of domain name, which is google.com, and here you can see the IP address. To achieve better scalability, DNS servers are organized in a hierarchical tree structure. Here you can see there are three basic levels of DNS servers. The first one is root name server. The second one is top level domain name server, which is also called TLD name server. And the third one is authoritative name server. The first one is root name server. It stores the IP addresses of top level domain name servers. And globally there are 13 logical root name servers are there. Second one is top level domain name server. It stores the IP addresses of authoritative name servers. There are several types of TLD names. For example, generic TLD, .com, .org, country code TLD, .us, .uk, etc. Test TLD, .test. Third one is authoritative name server. It provides the actual answers to DNS query. For example, this server only provides the IP address of www.google.com or www.yahoo.com, etc. You can register authoritative name servers with domain name registrar such as GoDaddy, Google, Yahoo, etc. Now we will see what are the steps involved in DNS lookup. Here you can see DNS servers. Here you can see DNS resolver. Here you can see your computer, which is browser. The user types the domain name www.google.com into the web browser. The browser sends the domain name to DNS resolver. Then the DNS resolver sends the domain name to root name server. The root name server will check the extension of the domain name, which is .com. So the root name server will send the IP address of top level domain name server, which is related to .com, to DNS resolver. So DNS resolver got the IP address of top level domain name server. So using that IP address, DNS resolver sends the domain name to top level domain name server, which is related to .com. And this server will send the IP address of authoritative name server, which is related to google.com, to DNS resolver. So DNS resolver got the IP address of authoritative name server. Using that, DNS resolver sends the domain name to authoritative name server, which is related to google.com. So this server will return the IP address of google.com to DNS resolver. Then the DNS resolver sends the IP address to your browser. Using this IP address, your browser will send the request to the web server which is hosting the google.com and loads it page. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.